Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between data engineering role and other Google Cloud roles. If you're trying to get Google certification, it's very important to know the difference between the job roles because there will be questions based on the job roles, what a data engineer does, what other roles in the cloud does. So yeah, let's learn about it today. So firstly, who is a data engineer and what does he do? As we already discussed about this, data engineer, the main responsibility of data engineer is to collect the data, clean the data and store the data for analysis so that the users, the report developers or machine learning engineers, they make use of this data and they create reports or models. That's the data engineer. So this data engineer, he works with other cloud roles. He works with other roles as well. So all the job roles that are in the cloud, they work with each other to help each other. Now in this video, we are going to see how data engineer works with the other cloud roles or how these roles impact each other. Okay, let's learn that. The first role is cloud architect. Cloud architects design the whole cloud, the complete cloud. They make sure how everything in the cloud works together. How do they help data engineers? They give a big picture. Data engineers follow that design to build fast and safe data pipelines. Next role is cloud database engineer. Cloud database engineers, they build and manage databases in the cloud. So what's the difference between cloud database engineer and a data engineer? Database engineers focus only on databases. Data engineers, they help move the data. They help move data from one place to another place. So they move and change the data that's there in the cloud database. And the next one is cloud DevOps engineer. So cloud DevOps engineers, they help with software delivery process. They help with software delivery and make sure the system runs smoothly. How do they work with data engineers? DevOps build code pipelines, whereas database engineers build data pipelines. So they work with each other. Code and data, they both have to work together for the entire system to work properly and smoothly. And the next role is cloud security engineer. As the name says, they provide security in the cloud. Database engineers, how does this role impact database engineers? Database engineers also have to follow the security rules, right? When they have to deal with data privacy, they want to mask some of the data, so they all have to make sure they follow the security rules. So that's how cloud security engineer and database engineer work together. And the next one is cloud network engineer. Again, as the name says, it's all about the network, cloud network, how the services are connected in the cloud. And how do they help data engineers? They make sure the data travels safely and quickly between the cloud services. And the last one is Google Workspace and machine learning engineer. They work with emails, documents and machine learning. Machine learning engineers, they use the data that is provided by data engineers through data pipelines. So that's how machine learning engineers and data engineers work together. That's about it. So to sum it up, data engineers work with many other cloud experts. They don't replace anyone. Instead, they support the whole team. They help move and clean data so others can use it for apps, reports and machine learning. So that's about it. That's about the roles of all the jobs that are in cloud. If you like this video, if you found this helpful, please hit a like button and subscribe. That's all about this.